Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add data packs to Minecraft. All right, I'm going to be showing you two ways. So first up right here, just go ahead and download your data packs in Minecraft. For example, we're going to download from Modrinth right here. All right, so let's say I'm just going to go ahead and download Terralith. Okay, I'm going to click on it. Now there will be some notes right here. It says here, do not add this to an existing world. Reset yours first or use a new world. Now there are some mods, data packs that can be used to either an existing or a new world. So let's just go ahead and follow the instruction of this specific data pack, but I'm going to be showing you as well how to do it on an existing world. Maybe you have a data pack that is compatible for both, okay? So let's just go ahead and download this one. Download, select the game version. I have the latest one right here as per recording, so I'm going to go ahead and select it. Now we're just going to be needing data pack, okay? Download, desktop, save, wait for the process to finish. And then once that's done, close the browser. Here we have the data pack. Now, first option, go ahead and open up Minecraft. Go to Java Edition. Now go to installations right here. Go ahead and find any of your installations, okay? Open up the folder and then go ahead over to saves. Okay, go ahead and find the world where you wanted to add it. Okay, so for example, I wanted to add it right here under YT Tutorials world. So what we're going to do is just go ahead over to data packs and then move that in here. Okay, move or copy, it's up to you. And then once that's done, you're going to go ahead and hit on play. And it will be automatically added. Now the second option is to add it when creating a new world. So how do we do that? So let's just go ahead and wait for Minecraft to load. All right, so in here, single player, for example, I'm going to go ahead and create a new world. Now when you go ahead over to more right here at the top right, you have data packs. So what you're going to do is just go ahead and use the RAR file, move it. Okay, it says here, do you want to add the following packs? Yes. Then click on the play button to move it right here at the top. Make sure that that's what is at the top. Hit on done. And then go ahead and click on create a new world. Okay. Maybe just creative. Yes. And just wait for it. There you go. Hello, thank you for downloading Terralith. And that's basically it. That is how you add data packs to Minecraft. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.